Okay, so now we're gonna trace the design on the flower box. And I got some designs for free off the internet, so I'm gonna use those. I'm gonna do classic mode, grid. You turn on the grid. You can move the grid so that it can be smaller squares. And the reason why I'm using this, I know that the sides are the same length. This is all squared off. We can use this to square off the edges so that it doesn't warp. So that means it will line up nicely, no warp to the image. So we can take the grid off and then we can place the image where we want it to be. And now it's time to trace. So here we go. And I'm just on classic mode for this. Okay, it is not 100% square, so I'm going to be using grid again to fix it. We might also need to fix the focus. There's nothing to really see what it's focusing on. I'm going to put my pencil down and I remove grid, and then I'm going to move picture, filling it up from top to bottom just like the other ones. And we're done with the tracing. This is it for today. There we go, we got a traced pattern on the planter box. Okay, so now it's time to paint. I wanted to do all the rainbow. So we're gonna start with one color at a time. Just makes things easier so you don't have to go back and forth with cleaning your brush. And also your paint won't dry out as fast if you're just focusing on one. So I'm just gonna do a little bit of red and some white. And here we go, we're gonna paint. Is it cute? Did we do a good job? Oh, I think it's adorable. Now we are gonna decorate our flower box. First we need bricks like this. This one is dry for plastic artificial flowers. We only need to take off a little bit off the edge here, the sides. See, does that fit now? Perfect. And now it is time to put flowers in them. Chose flowers that go well with the colors we chose and try to just keep them in spring flowers. And these flowers I just got from the dollar store. And then greenery to fill in some empty spaces. I'm just gonna cut them off. And I'm just gonna place them in. Okay, now the goal is to cover the inside of this as best as we can with some greenery. There we go, there is our flower pot. Just a little extra flair.